Bahasa tidak lucu.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want to save me. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'm just keep buying everything.
Sangkalang.
Think that my head's on straight, gotta fix it, grip it, go and get an x-ray.
Punya mana bu? Punya maju. Tutup kedai ju. Tutup kedai. Ya ngembang. Bandung je ni. Kamu pergi. Ya mata.
Bawa mama.
Ini Pak Kandus kita nih ya. Kandus ya. Mau ini Pak? Assalamualaikum.
Dahil ini ada betul tu.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time to living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me.